Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this math question. 8 divided by 4 parenthesis close 2 plus 2 parenthesis whole square minus 2 square. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be, and I will give you shout out here. Whatever your answer will be, right or wrong, I will give you shout out here, and I will going to solve this by using PEMDAS. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to P, stands for parenthesis. So first we will solve for this parenthesis. There are two parentheses, but we will stepwise use. When we divide 8 divided by 4, you will get answer 2. So you can write 2 in the place of this. So here we can write 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square. Now this is also parenthesis, so we will operate now next 2 plus 2 which equals to 4. So we will write 2 and 4 to square minus 2 square. So here 4 square, that is equal to what? 4 times 4. 4 times 4 which equals to 16, and 2 square is nothing but what? 2 times 2 which equals to 4. So we will simply write 16 in the place of 4 square and 4 at the place of 2 square. So we will write this. Actually there are multiplication here, so we can simply put multiplication to simplify this equation. 4 square we will write 16 here, minus 2 square we will write 4 here. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis done, exponent done, and now it's done for the word operation, multiplication here. So we will operate this multiplication part. We will rewrite our question here: 2 times 16 minus 4. We will operate here 16 into 2, that is equal to 32. So we will simply write 32 minus 4. Or when we subtract 4 from 32, we will get 28. So here 28 is the right answer. And if you are seniors, then must check out our best first links for daily your convenience and comfort in the description. And like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.